The entire orchestration of political drama is not presently done. It was done right from Operation Polo 1948. September 17, जो बहुत दुखी बात है, हमारे तेलंगाना के लीडर भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं कि इंडिया में शामिल हो गया। कितने मुसलमान भाइयों को मारने के बाद इंडिया में शामिल कर दिया। We have to think that question. हम ब्लैक के बारे में तो हमारा एग्जैक्टली टीम नहीं है। हमने स्टूडेंट ऑफ इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को पहली बार महाविद्यार्थी का चुना, जो उस्मानिया यूनिवर्सिटी में 6 लाख स्टूडेंट्स का मीटिंग था। सबसे बड़ा फ्लैग स्टूडेंट इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का था और हमें तब तक मालूम नहीं था। जब ये झंडा हमने देखा तो OUJAC में ये मीटिंग हुआ। ये कौन सा झंडा है, ये व्हाइट कलर और ये ग्रीन कलर कौन सा झंडा है? तब मालूम पड़ा कि ये स्टूडेंट इस्लामिक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है। तब हमने शफी भाई से कांटेक्ट किया और बताया कि आप भी हमारे साथ OUJAC में काम करें। पर अब I mean, deep concerns. I am being doubted in being the Hyderabad, this society where I am growing a beard and I am questioned. Whereas there is a person last month at Ramlila Maidan with more huger beard than me who did stunts was a hero. And unfortunately, there was one more person. I don't know how far कोर्ट ने उनको पूरा जजमेंट दिया कि बाबरी मस्जिद से आप बने, गुजरात राइट से आप छुट्टी हो गए। पर नेक्स्ट डे उन्होंने और एक ड्रामा शुरू किया, उसका नाम था सद्भावना मिशन। ठीक है, वो प्राइम मिनिस्टर बनने की कोशिश में शायद हमें उससे हुई। और यहाँ पे और एक पॉइंट था, राउडी शीटर्स, 700 राउडी शीटर्स फ्रॉम मुस्लिम्स। I'm really very sorry. I mean, I don't know the exact number of it, but the main problem is again lack of education. Exactly, lack of education. The same thing. I mean, we are, we are called as, the word is minorities. When India calls itself a secular country, then why are we called as minorities? Why not equal citizens? This is a question to think. A question to think. And madam and many people have said the importance of vote. I say not the importance of vote, but Student Islamic Organization and Jamaat-e-Islam should be the political party itself. Not vote, but come, emerge as leadership on their own. It is very deprived to see Chiranjeevi or any other person, any Tom, Dick and Harry, who wears the entire attire. I probably, because I'm speaking, I hope no one is throwing glasses or anything. Anyway. So, Chiranjeevi or any other person who wears the entire attire only for the vote bank and for the flexis and the advertisements or etc. only during iftar parties, but did he speak any time in the assembly or anywhere else? Never. And unfortunately, the person who has highly stolen the first lands is speaking about Muslims is Lagdapati Rajgopal. And unfortunately, Saab is not there on the print pages, or no one else from the Muslim community is on the print pages. Lagdapati Rajgopal is there on the print pages. Unfortunately, the entire Lanco Hills, people are well informed. Google में है, हर जगह है, कितने सारे प्रॉपर्टीज वहां पे चले Lanco Hills, पर फिर से वापस नहीं आ रहे. So it's a question to think. It's a question to think how we emerge. Not put a vote to someone, but instead we become a voice. I haven't voted. I practically telling you, I have done my law, I've done my journalism, but I haven't voted. Because I do not find a candidate to vote properly. There are rowdy sheeters or investors or anyone. Instead I decided, I will become a leader. I mean, even if I get probably votes or not. So the same advice for all of you. Leave apart voting. Don't give any rights to any other politicians. But all of you who are listening here, I would request that you, as Student Islamic Organization and Jamaat-e-Islam, emerge as a political party. Thank you.